Hello subscribers and my dear students. As we know that we are going through the pandemic of COVID-19, so I request you to be safe at home and use all the precautions. Today I am back with another interesting video. Hope you learn from it. Let's start. Hello dear students. Today my topic of discussion is on installation of a costing system. We know that there is no ready-made costing system for every organization. In order to meet the special needs of the business, his costing system has to be specifically devised to give a blend of efficiency and economy. The installation of costing system requires a thorough study and understanding of all aspects involved, as otherwise the system may be a misfit, an enterprise will not be able to derive full advantage from it. Next is steps of installation. Before explaining steps of installation, the management should understand the benefit from the system. That must, because they are spending a huge amount on it. The management must feel the need for it and should able to make the use of information available from the system in conduct of business. And in other sense, installation of cost system, the system should be justified on the basis of its value to the management. Now what are the steps? The first step is that preliminary investigation should be made relating to the technical aspects of the business. For instance, the nature of the product and method of production will determine the type of costing system to be applied. Second, the organizational structure of the business should be studied. To ascertain the scope of authority of each executive. The existing organization should be the minimum advisable for full consideration. Okay. The third point, the method of purchase, storage and issue of materials should be examined and modified as per the requirements of costing system. Next point 4. Forms and accounting records should be so designed so as to involve minimum clerical labor and expenditure. Okay. Next, the size and layout of the factory should be studied. Next point, the costing system should be effective in cost control and cost reduction. And finally, the installation and operation of the system should be economical. Okay. Let us discuss the practical problems in installing cost system. Let us discuss the practical difficulties. Number 1, lack of support of top management. In order to make the costing system success, every member of the management must support the costing system. Before the installing of cost system, the cost accountant must ensure that management is fully committed to the costing system, and a sense of cost consciousness should be created in the mind by explaining them that this cost system is for their benefits. Clear? Next point is resistance from the accounting stuff. The existing accounting staff may not welcome the new system. This may because they look with suspicion at the system which is not known to them, and cooperation of the employees is needed for betterment of all. Okay, the next point is non-cooperation of working and supervisory staff. Here, correct activity data which is supplied by supervisory staff or worker is necessary for successful costing system. They may not cooperate and resist the additional paperwork arising due to introduction of the system. Such resistance generally arises out of ignorance. So proper education should be given to the staff for knowing the benefits out of this costing system. And the last point is that is shortage of trained staff. In initial stages, there may be shortage of training staff for cost accounting system, but staff should be properly trained in this department so that the management can run efficiently. So we discussed today about the installation of cost system, the steps to be taken in installing the cost system, and the practical difficulties that management face while installing cost system. So thank you for watching my video. Tomorrow I'll be back with another video. Thanks for subscribing.